Innocent Miracle here. Welcome to Chess with Dutch. Today we'll be continuing our series on how to play chess. And in this video, we're going to talk about check and checkmate. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to explain the concept of check and checkmate, I have set up a sample position on the board. Now, when you say check, when we talk about check in a chess game, it's basically saying that there is a king, one of the kings on the board is in danger, that is being attacked by one of the opponents, piece. Now, I'm going to show you. There are three ways to undo check. One, you can capture the checking piece if there is any piece close by that can do that. Two, you can block the check. And three, you can run away with your king. I'm going to illustrate all of the 3 points here. Now, I'm going to move this queen here to check this queen, to check the king. I'm going to put it in one square. Now, this king now is in check. There are 3 things, like I said. You can either capture the checking piece, or block, or run with your king. Now here, this bishop can capture this queen, so we'll capture the checking piece. And now, there is no more check. The next thing, now we're going to use this king also now to deliver check to the king again. Now there are 3 things, like I said, you can capture the checking piece, but here there is no piece that can capture. So next thing we can do is we'll block. Now we'll block the check, but if you notice, this rook is unprotected, so we can take it and still the king is in check. And the last thing we can do, the king in check can do is run away, because there is no piece that can block, there is no piece that can capture. There's no piece that can capture the checking piece, and so the next only option you have left is to run, and that's what we'll do. So this is the concept of check. Here, your king is in danger, so you have to move your king away from danger. And I said that there are 3 things to do when you check: capture the checking piece, block the check, and or run away with your king. And I've portrayed all of the 3 examples. Now I'm going to explain checkmate. Now this is another position that I've set up on the chessboard. Now here we have the black king in the corner. We can now give a check, and we can also give checkmate. Well, I'm going to give a check and explain what and what. Now, for example, I can move this rook here. Now the king is under check. Can this king capture this rook? No. Why? Because it will basically put itself under danger. You cannot intentionally put your king in danger. It's an illegal move. The king cannot capture this piece because this other rook is defending it. So because this the second rook here is defending this piece here. So the only thing that the king can do here is to run, because there are no pieces that can come in between. You can say, now this we play this move. This does not give us checkmate. We only put the king in check, and the king can run because he has an escape square. He has 2 escape squares, to be precise. But what if we go back to initial position and then I move one of these rooks down? Now the king is in check, but there is no square free. This rook covers all of these squares. Oh, sorry about that. This rook covers these squares, so the king cannot move to any of these squares, and this rook also covers this square. So, and there is no piece that can interpose, or there is no piece that we can use to block. The king is not close to the capturing piece to block the check. So that's what basically checkmate is. Checkmate is when your king is in check and he has no legal moves, or he has no other you cannot capture the check-in piece, and you cannot block the check, and also you cannot move your king away from the check or away from danger. So yeah, that's it for this video. And next video I am going to explain special moves, after which we are going to set up our chess account and we'll play some chess, and all of these rules that we have been talking about, we are going to put them to action. So yes, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you have any comments, please drop it in comment section. Please do like and subscribe for more amazing content. Check.